Hi, my name is Dr. Jon Evans and I work here at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I'm going to teach you the proper way that you should be sitting at your desk. I'm going to show you the most ideal and best setup for ergonomics at your desk. We're going to start from your feet up. I call it the 90-degree rule. So you want your feet flat on the ground. You want a 90-degree bend at your knees. There should be about 2 to 3 inches between the edge of your chair and the back of your knee. You want your hips at a 90-degree angle. You want your back supported by the lumbar arch support so you can sit back on it. You also want your elbows at a 90-degree angle. You should relax your forearms on your chair just like this. In this position, you should be able to carry out all of your tasks. So you roll up to the desk. The keyboard should reach out at this point, and you should be able to reach the mouse with your arm still at a 90-degree bend, and your screen should be straight in front of you, not high or low, or else it's going to cause you to stoop. Take all those tips and that will make you feel a lot better. Alright guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.